Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. 你好. Today we're going to talk about month in Chinese. So if you can speak the number in Mandarin and you can speak moon in Chinese Mandarin the same, and you can speak month easily. So in this video we pretty much review how to speak numbers, and then in the end we'll talk about the habit of speaking dates in Chinese. Okay, let's start from January. Here, 1月 February, 2月 月, if you watch my previous video, you will know 月 means moon. So we use moon to represent each month. And basically you just put the number in front of 月 and then represent that month. 3月 March, 3月 April, 4月 May, 5月 June, 6月 July, 7月 August, 8月 September, 9月 October, 10月 November, 11月 December, 12月. Okay, so after we have gone through all the months, what about say Christmas, December 25th? How to say that? We will say it in this way. 12月25日. 日, it means sun. It also means day. Okay, so that is the way of speaking dates. 12月25日. Okay, how about year? Where we put year? Say 2020. 2020年 it means year. Okay, it pronounced as 呢一安年. Okay, any questions, comments, just leave down below. Thank you for your attention. See you next video. Goodbye.